नमस्कार एंड वेलकम बैक टू द वाई फैक्टर। अभी नई पेशकश मिर्जापुर 3। 4 साल के बाद ये वेब सीरीज का तीसरा इंस्टॉलमेंट वापस आया है। पब्लिक काफी उत्तेजना से इसका उत्साह से इसका वेट कर रही थी। कई लोगों से जो हमने सुनने में आया कि इतने खुश नहीं है, थोड़ी निराशा है कि जो बिल्डअप था कि कालीन वर्सेस गुड्डू का जो क्लैश होगा वो दिखने को मिलेगा, और वो नहीं मिला लोगों को, और इसकी वजह से पब्लिक थोड़ी दुखी लग रही है। बट मेरा ये मानना है, जब पूरी वेब सीरीज देखने के बाद, और मेरा ये विचार भी है जो मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर कर रहा हूँ, कि ये बिल्डअप है सीजन 4 के लिए। सीजन 4 इज गोइंग टू बी द अल्टीमेट फिनाले, विच शुड बी द सीरीज फिनाले ऑल्सो, जहां कालीन भैया और गुड्डू पंडित का अल्टीमेट क्लैश होगा। तो इसमें क्या हो रहा है कि सीजन 1 वॉज ऑल अबाउट कालीन भैया एंड मुन्ना भैया का राज। Season 2 was about Guddu Pandit and Golu's revenge against Kaleen and Munna. Season 3 is about the life in Mirzapur and Purvanchal, unsettled due to the missing absence of Kaleen Bhaiya. His perceived death, which itself in episode 1 they show that he's alive, and the changing dynamics, political, regional, and gang related. I think it is a good thing because it gives so much more to explore. There means you have Dadda and Chote with their story, you have Sharad Shukla with his angle, and you have Guddu and Golu trying to fight their own demons, and then Robin is there with his Ye Bhi Sahi Hai. Rajesh Telang comes across so strongly as the father lawyer who's trying to fight his own case or not fight his own case, and so on and so forth without any spoilers. The character of Rahim as the poet is brilliant. And after a long time, you've seen Anil George in such a stupendous thing as one of his favorite roles of Rauf Lala. But this is not the thing. What people sometimes don't realize is that Mirzapur has an equal bank of 11 strong female characters who dominate season 3. So you have Beena Tripathi, you have her maid with her, then you have the CM, you have Golu, you have Sharad's mom, you have Guddu's sister, and so on and so forth. So these women dominate the entire scene in Mirzapur 3, which is a good relief from otherwise. If you go to see, if Kaleen Bhaiya and Guddu would have clashed in episode 1 or 2, we would have nothing to see. So it's slow burn, it builds up, it shows Guddu's madness, Golu's insecurity, Sharad's rise, the CM's power game, JP's comeback, Zarina's tactics, Mother Shukla's game plan, Beena's strategizing mind, the maid's insecurity, and so on and so forth. And this leads to the ultimate last 3 episodes where Kaleen Bhaiya comes in full form. And then the last episode where Kaleen Bhaiya shows that what he is all about. And that's what we all love about Pankaj Tripathi. So overall, this is a serial which is a build-up. The season is a build-up for season 4, which which I can say should be the series finale. It's definitely worth watching for the performances of everybody. Ali Fasal, Anjum, Shweta, Pankaj Tripathi, everyone does a fantastical job. And they've created such a beautiful world of Purvanchal out there, which I think is definitely worth watching. And the wait. Now the only thing is the wait should be not more than 2 years. 4 साल पब्लिक सह नहीं पाएगी, और कालीन भैया तो बिल्कुल नहीं। तो देखते रहिए, and like Bare says, buje. As a Y factor, I'm going with 3 out of 5. Thank you.